Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So if you're tired of dry, dark, chapped or pigmented lips, then today's video is just for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make two amazing homemade lip balms that are super easy to make, totally natural, extremely budget friendly, and it can be made from your kitchen ingredients only. And both these lip balms actually works on your pigmented dark and dry lips and treats them really well to make them moisturize, pinkish and really soft. So the lip balms which we'll be making are potato lip balm and the beetroot lip balm. The potato lip balm helps to treat pigmentation and the dark lips, as potato contains natural bleaching properties which helps to lighten dark lips and reduce pigmentation and evens out your natural lip color over time. Whereas beetroot lip balm deeply moisturizes your lips and keeps them moisturized for a really long time while making your lips naturally pink after just few uses of it. So firstly, let's see how to prepare this homemade potato lip balms for dark and pigmented lips. So to prepare it, we firstly gonna need potato juice, and to prepare this juice, we firstly gonna need a potato, and now I'm just going to cut it into small pieces. And now I'm just going to transfer all these small pieces into a grinding jar. And now after that, you're going to need rose water. And here I'm just adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of rose water into it. And now you just have to blend it really nicely to make a smooth paste out of it. And after blending it nicely, your homemade potato paste will look something like this. Now we have to strain this paste, and for that I'm just using a strainer, and now I'm just putting all this potato paste into it and now straining it really well to take out all the potato juice out of it. And after straining it nicely, your homemade potato juice is ready and it will look something like this. So here I'm just taking approx 2 teaspoons of potato juice into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need coconut oil, and here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into it. Now after adding the coconut oil, you're gonna need vitamin E oil, and here I'm just adding half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And after adding the vitamin E oil, just mix all these 3 ingredients slightly so that they all combine with each other well. And now lastly, you're gonna need Vaseline, and here I'm taking 1 big tablespoon of Vaseline and adding it into this mixture. And after adding it, just mix everything really well so that it makes into a smooth and it makes into a gel form consistency. After mixing everything really well, your homemade lip balm is ready, and this gel works tremendously well onto your dark and pigmented lips, as it removes all the pigmentation and darkness which you have on your lips and makes it really bright and supremely moisturized and hydrating. So to store this lip balm is supremely easy. Just store this lip balm into a small airtight container, and you can store it in refrigerator for up to 1 month. And yeah, just use this lip balm as your normal lip balm. Just apply it onto your lips twice or thrice in a day to treat your dark and pigmented lips. Now let's move on to the second lip balm, which is the beetroot lip balm. And to prepare this lip balm, you firstly gonna need Vaseline, and here I'm just adding approx 2 tablespoons of Vaseline into a clean bowl. Now after adding the Vaseline, now it's time to add the coconut oil, and here I'm adding approx 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into it. Now after that, we are going to need vitamin E oil, and here I'm just adding half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And if you're using the vitamin E capsule, then just use 1 vitamin E capsule. And now lastly, you're going to need beetroot juice, and to prepare this beetroot juice, you firstly gonna need a beetroot. So here I'm just taking this beetroot, and now with the help of a peeler, I'm peeling its skin off. So now after peeling its skin off, now we have to cut the beetroot into small pieces. So now after cutting it into small pieces, now we have to blend it to make a smooth paste. And I'm just putting all these beetroot pieces into a blending jar. Now I'm just adding rose water into it, and here I'm just adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of rose water into it. And after adding the rose water, now we have to just blend it really nicely so that it makes a smooth and a fine paste. And now once it's nicely blended, the beetroot paste will look something like this. And now with the help of a strainer, I'm just straining this beetroot paste to take out all the beetroot juice out of it. And after straining this beetroot paste, your homemade beetroot juice is ready and it will look something like this. And here I'm just adding approx 1 to 2 teaspoons of this beetroot juice into it. Now after adding the beetroot juice, just mix everything really nicely so that it makes into a smooth paste. So now after mixing everything really well, your homemade lip balm will look something like this right now. Now what we have to do is we have to transfer this mixture into a small airtight jar, or you can use any container in which you want to store this lip balm. So just transfer this mixture into a lip balm container. So now after transferring this lip balm into this small container or the lip balm container, now you have two options. You can also use this as the lip balm. It's a bit thick in consistency and is not solid, but you can also use it like that only. It will deeply moisturize your lips and is smooth in consistency, so it will glide on your lips beautifully. But if you want that lip balm like consistency, then you have to just put this lip balm container into the freezer so that it becomes solid and becomes like a lip balm like consistency. So just put it into freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes so that it becomes solid. And now after that, your homemade lip balm will look something like this. It has this really beautiful lip balm like consistency. It's fresh, it's natural, so it will not harm your lips and it will benefit your lips in so many ways. It will lighten your dark lips, or if you have any pigmentation on your lips, then it will also remove that. It also has a nice pinkish tint to it, so it will also give you that lip tint effect. And if you want to make your lips pink naturally, then use this lip balm consistently for few days. It will make your lips smooth, deeply moisturized, and will remove all the lip chapping problem. So just use this lip balm to deeply moisturize your lips and to make them super glossy and beautiful. And yeah, there you have it, 2 easy homemade lip balms that are natural, budget friendly and totally effective. So give them a try and let me know in the comments which one you like the most. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.